Arctic Ascent, Expanded Prompt ***. You're a fearless off-road moto rider in the Arctic Ascent, a high-stakes race to the summit of a glacier-covered peak in the remote Arctic wilderness. Your mission: climb treacherous ice-slick trails, dodge yawning crevasses, and outmaneuver a rival team to plant your flag at the peak's summit before they do. The stakes are high glory, a hefty prize, and survival in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Setting The race begins at the base of Mount Cryan, a jagged, ice-encrusted peak surrounded by howling winds and sub-zero temperatures. The trail is a mix of compacted snow, glassy ice patches, and rocky outcrops protruding through the glacier. Hidden crevasses lurk beneath thin snow bridges, and sudden blizzards can reduce visibility to near zero. The summit, shrouded in mist, is 3,000 meters above, with the final stretch being a near-vertical ice wall. Challenges Terrain hazards The trail's icy surface offers little traction, forcing you to master throttle control to avoid spinning out or sliding backward. Crevasses, some concealed by fresh snow, demand split-second reflexes to leap or swerve. Rocky patches threaten to shred tires or jolt you off course. Environmental threats Gusting winds push against you, especially on exposed ridges, risking a plummet into the abyss. Random blizzards obscure the path, forcing you to rely on instinct or risk slowing down. Frostbite looms if you stall too long in the open. Rival team The opposing team, riding modified Arctic-grade bikes, isn't above dirty tactics. They'll cut you off at narrow passes, kick up snow to blind you, or even sabotage the trail by triggering small avalanche. Their lead rider is notorious for ramming competitors into snowbanks. Bike management Your specialized off-road bike has studded tires and a heated grip system, but fuel is limited, and the cold saps battery life. Overheating the engine on steep climbs risks a breakdown, and a damaged suspension from rough landings could end your race. Key moments 1. Starting line surge The race kicks off with a chaotic sprint across a frozen lake, where thin ice cracks under the weight of roaring bikes. You must find the perfect line to avoid plunging into frigid waters while jostling for an early lead. 2. Crevasses crossing Midway, you hit a fractured glacier field littered with crevasses. Some are narrow enough to jump, others require weaving through a maze of ice pillars. A rival tries to force you toward a hidden gap. Do you fake them out or go for a risky leap? 3. Blizzard ambush As you climb a winding ridge, a sudden whiteout engulfs the trail. Visibility drops, and the rivals use the cover to stage an ambush, attempting to knock you off a cliff. You must outsmart them using the terrain or raw speed. 4. Final ice wall The summit is guarded by a near-vertical ice face. You need to build momentum on the approach, hit a narrow ramp, and claw your way up using every ounce of skill. The rivals are right behind, and only one flag can claim the peak. Objective Reach the summit first and plant your flag in the designated spot, a steel pole embedded in the ice. The first flag planted wins, but you must survive the descent to claim the prize. The rival team will stop at nothing to beat you, and the mountain itself is an unforgiving foe. Atmosphere The air is biting, your breath freezing in your helmet. The engine's growl echoes off ice walls, drowned out by the wind's eerie wail. Every jump feels like defying gravity, every slide a brush with disaster. The summit looms like a frozen throne, daring you to claim it. Game story elements upgrades Customize your bike with options like reinforced shocks for rough landings, extra fuel tanks for longer climbs, or spiked tires for better ice grip. Scales Master techniques like wheelie jumps to clear crevasses, power slides to navigate tight turns, or lean balancing to counter wind gusts. Asterisk asterisk choices asterisk asterisk. Decide whether to take a shorter, riskier path through a crevasse field or a longer, safer route around it. Confront or evade rivals during key encounters. Asterisk asterisk survival mechanics asterisk asterisk. Monitor body heat and bike condition. Stop at rare supply caches to refuel or repair, but lose precious time. Would you like me to develop this further into a specific game level design, a narrative with characters, or perhaps a visual chart of the race's elevation and key obstacles? Alternatively, I can refine it for a specific tone, for example, gritty realism or arcade-style fun. Let me know!